Hello everyone! This video is about color and simplicity. Today I didn't really respect any of the rules of color theory, I just combined a lot of shades and tones and the result is pretty spectacular. The only thing I had in mind to respect was to highlight the flashy colors like neon yellow or pink or orange and so on, rolling them in the center of the shape. All this because we're getting ready to quill a peacock. To start, I glued together strips of different colors and sizes to turn them into a loose coil and finally into a bent teardrop that will be part of the tail. We then make a few more of these, combining the shades in different ways. Once all of them are done, we don't need much else to start creating our peacock model. Next, we choose a photo frame that fits the size. Or you can just make the peacock on the size of the frame you have at home. I needed a blank piece of paper to glue my pieces on, so I cut one myself from a shiny A4 sheet. Then I started gluing the shapes, mimicking the tail of our gorgeous bird. Use your imagination when putting everything together, but at the same time, try to adjust and place your pieces according to the sizes of each one and according to the colors you used, mixing them. If needed, create more shapes on the spot, depending on the dimensional requirements. I can't always have a specific and clear plan, so things can end up modified as I go. A piece of advice: try to take a lot of care on how you glue everything, because we don't want to have ugly traces on our white cardboard. more thing that we need is the body of our bird, so we make a big loose coil that we shape the best we can into the missing piece. And don't worry, art can be often abstract, so it can be slightly different compared to reality. I added small feathers to form the crest on the top of the peacock, and we are done. We then assemble our creation into the frame we prepared, and the result is beautiful and satisfying. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I also hope you will leave your opinion down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Take care!